Fort Worth, Texas. All right, so we landed in Reno. I'm gonna go out there. I believe we got elevation sickness. Just landed in LA. So we made it to LA. Let's go check out the Fast and Furious house. F8 Tributo. Mrs. Phil wanted to do something different. And where are we?
WP Studio. Gilmore Girls set.
Okay. Oh, it's nice. Oh, I thought Mr. Miss Camp.
If you need me, I'll be right here.
Really? Oh, hold on.
I didn't see the sign.
You can finish that outside.
Suits that are used in the video.
Yeah, they have the names. They actually wore these.
And those are the actual capes first, right there.
That's pretty cool. The different Batmobiles over the generations.
Well then, probably shut. Did you see that?
I'm not done in here.
Okay. Appreciate that. Thank you.
One thing you don't know is Mrs. Phil loves the Elf movie. So, had to get pictures and video of her with it. With the costume at least. And these are the actual costumes that were worn. And that's the end of that. So,
It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun being in Stars Hollow and going through all of the exhibits and stuff. And then even at the end when we got to go through all of, like, the different, not quite sets, but like, yeah, like the DC comics, like we saw the Batman stuff, we saw Wonder Woman, we saw Harry Potter, which we weren't, that was for us. And then like the gift shop was kind of cool too. Like they had everything. And then Elf, I love Elf, so that was great for me. Yeah, overall though, wonderful day. Highly recommend the tour.
all right. That wraps up day 2 of our excursions here in LA. Let's see if I have the energy to do day 3 tomorrow. Don't know if I have a choice. All right. See you in a bit. So, slight turn of events. I was very uncomfortable after all of the excitement and walking from yesterday. And my feet said that was it. It was enough. So, today we just sat back and watched Christmas movies. So, goodbye, LA. Thanks, it was fun. We out. Was fun, though.